Williams & Goodwin set up just over 10 years ago when we originally opened up with an office in Bangor and an office in Llangefni, and very quickly realised that the housing market was growing and was going through prosperous times, and we took advantage of that situation. We've opened another office now in Holyhead and opened up a lettings division. So we've grown quite quickly in a relatively short period of time. Throughout that period we've managed to increase our turnover year in, year out, and we've now grown from an organisation that originally employed half a dozen or so people through to an employment of over 25 people. We've developed the business, we've developed the brand, we're looking at opportunities all the time to expand, whether it be into different fields or whether it be into different areas. We've built up a successful auction division over the course of the last couple of years. We're always looking at opportunities to diversify into new fields or into new areas.